Okay, welcome to the Right CNC How to Do Things. We're going to discuss a little bit today about downloading Mach 3 licenses and getting everything all set up on an external computer. Now, you can tell here I'm in a Right CNC technical support email. I'm just going to click download here, and it's going to ask me to download. I'm going to download it. I'm actually going to change the name here to Mach1 license.data. Sometimes it just automatically downloads. Now it's already on my computer screen there, but I'm just going to it'll your computer system will automatically download it without giving you this option. Now in this case, I'm forcing it to have this option, but it'll show up on wherever you put it. I have it in my desktop, for instance. All right, so Mach1 license. It'll say parentheses, 4 parentheses, and then we're just going to save. Okay, cool. Now I'm actually going to minimize and then go to my desktop. I have so much going on my desktop, but here's my most recent one. I'm just going to click on it, and then I'm just going to remove the there. Except I'm actually going to keep my parentheses 1 because I already have one on my desktop sitting up here in this gigantic mess. Look at that. Okay, cool. Let's move on. Once I've done that, I can actually hit Control J, which will open up this screen here, and I click Show in Folder. As we did before, oh, come on now, Show in Folder. Oh, look at that. So it's not being cooperative, Windows. Sometimes it'll do that. Sometimes Google will do that to you. So let's go ahead and surpass that. And down at the bottom of your screen, you'll see a little thing that looks like a folder. I'm actually going to just click on that and go to my desktop. Okay, and that's where I've saved so much of everything. It's an easy place for me to access. So I'm just going to go ahead and go down to Mach1 license. Cool. I'm going to right click on it and just go copy. This will allow me to then paste it into another folder. So let me go, and on this side of the screen, we're going to go to the C drive. Cool. Click on the C drive, and then here's my Mach3 folder. I'm going to double click to open it, and go right click, and then go paste. And then it'll paste into the program. And Mach3, I already have my Mach license data in here. This is just what I use to open up on this screen. Now, there's a couple other things that you'll be downloading. When we go to our email here, and we see our 2x2 CNC shared drive here, let's take a look at that. All right, I have a couple of other things that I'm going to be downloading. I'm going to be downloading the Run Motion DLL, which I'm just going to click download, and that'll download for me. It'll ask me, hey, you want to save it? I'm just going to save it. Cool. And then I'm going to take my Right CNC non-float post processor and go and then download that one as well, because that's available to me. We're going to need these as we're moving forward. And then this is the profile update 2x2, and that's the most recent profile that I can then download onto my computer. Cool. I've downloaded the things that I need in terms of profiles, and I'm going to show you where you're going to download each of those. Now, what you're going to do is the same process. We're going to go to desktop. I'm going to just organize it by date, because then I can see the latest thing here that I've downloaded, and I see my Run Motion DLL. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, right click it, and go copy. Then I'm going to go into my C drive. I'm going to go into my Mach3 folder. I'm going to go into my plugins, and you'll see I've already downloaded it onto here, but I would go right click, paste, and I would see this pop up in my screen. Perfect. Okay. Then I'll go back to my desktop. I have my ProKit 2x2 profile update. I'm going to copy that and then go into my C drive again, Mach3, and then in the overall screen, I'm going to hit paste, and then as you can see, I've already downloaded it onto this screen. So I have my 3 different files that I've uploaded into Mach3. That will allow me to run Mach3 effectively and correctly. There is another file that we've downloaded, which is if we go to desktop, that's this non-float processor. If you look on our website that talks about how to download and work with SheetCam, this particular file will be used in our SheetCam system. It's a post-processing file that you'll be using. Watch that video and it'll walk you through how to set up that post-processor. However, for Mach3 and for all intents and purposes with Mach3, we have set it up the way that we need to set it up. Now from this point we go to our desktop and we can actually go to our physical desktop and open the program known as Mach3 Loader, and it'll give us an option. So let me go ahead and actually see if I can access Mach3 on my system here. So we're going to go Mach3 Loader. Let's go ahead and open that here. And I have a series of profiles that are available. I'm going to hit 2x2 update. Cool. And it's just going to open that up for me. Give this a couple seconds to do what it does. Perfect. Okay. Then it's going to upload and open for me. I want to hit my restart, and it's going to say R&R motion card not found. That's because I don't have a 2x2 hooked up to this particular computer. However, if it was, we would turn on our control box, make sure our reset was hit. We're going to hit our reset button to make sure that it's actually activated. And in that way, our system is already preset to then take everything that we need to do and coordinate with the machine properly without doing these steps. Without uploading the plugin, without uploading the profiles and the licenses, we can't access all of those features properly. So let's start off by doing this first and then move on from there. You'll be able to, from this point, you should be able to go up, down, left, right, and move across your table and get everything running, functioning as well as we would like. So that's our Mach3 setup. We'll go from there. Thanks.